Hey there, it's Amanda Kajik here. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I can do everything from my Android phone. Actually, right now I'm even recording this for you on my phone. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this and all the different things that I can do. So check out this video that I've made for you right now. Hey there, Amanda Kajik here. Today I'm going to show you how I use my phone for my business. I do this on a daily basis, and it allows me to be able to keep up with everything because I'm a busy parent and always on the go. I don't always have my laptop with me, but I do always have my phone. So I do majority of my work from my phone, and today's video is actually about how I edit my videos from my phone. So I'm using right now an app called Duo Recorder, and that is how I'm showing you my screen right now. I'm going to go into where I record my videos for YouTube. It is called Filmora Go, and I'm going to show you exactly how I edit that video now. So we're going to go create new video. I just actually shot a video using another app called Open Camera. So I choose that, select the video, and you can see the video right here. I know that I'm going to need to edit this, obviously, so I'm going to hit add, next, and now it is showing up. And I'll play that quickly here so you can see. I did a few takes of this video, so that's how I know I need to edit it and I need to add things to it. You can see I can add themes, music, cropping it. There's editing tools such as trimming the clip, adding subtitles, and I'll show you exactly how to do that right now. So I know I need to shorten it. So I can make your you now. See how I'm just dragging with this right here? It makes it so easy. So I'm going to take it to the area where I know I need it. Oh, a little too far. Back it up. Okay, let's go with that. And I know I want it to be a little shorter at the end because I manually had to shut off my camera this time. So I obviously don't want that showing when I upload it to YouTube. Let's try this. I turn the volume down a bit so I don't make it too loud, and let's hit play. Hey there, it's Amanda Kajik here. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I can do everything from my Android phone. Actually, right now I'm even recording this for you on my phone. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this and all the different things that I can do. So check out this video that I've made for you right now. Okay, so we're going to say okay. Hey there, it's Amanda Kajik here. And now I'm going to go in and add not a subtitle. Subtitle would be if you just wanted to add, you know, I could put the title of what I'm talking about today, but I want to add my actual, I don't know what you would call it, intro, I suppose you would call it. And you have those options. I usually like to stick with the same. There, it's Amanda Kajik here. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I can do add title. So I'm going to tap and I'm just going to add my name. Right there, the name of my website. There, it's Amanda Kajik here. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I can do everything from my Android phone. There you go. A nice clean intro right there. I'm going to say okay, and I am going to save that. Simple. Right there, I just edited a video that I've made showing you how I do things from my phone. And now I'm going to crop these two videos, the one that I'm recording right now for you, sharing my screen, and I'm going to add it with this YouTube video so that I can upload them together. I hope you found value in this, and if you have any extra tips for me of the things you do from your phone, then share them in the comments below.